Crucible is a nonprofit industrial arts school founded in 1999. We are in West Oakland and run out of a 56,000 square foot warehouse and have multiple classes in the industrial arts: welding, blacksmithing, glass blowing, stone carving, neon, woodwork, a bike arts program, a whole spectrum, a whole array of industrial arts.
My name is Chris Niemer. I'm the Crucible's blacksmith department head, and I've been with the Crucible from about a year after it started, 9 months to a year after it started.
Why did I decide to become a smith? I grew up in Detroit, Michigan. In Detroit, there's a history center called Greenfield Village, and every year when I was in school, I went to Greenfield Village, and every year I saw a blacksmith, and every year I wanted to be able to do that. Swing a hammer at hot metal. I think that for people to be able to solve problems, art is one of the greatest avenues for learning how to really solve problems creatively. And so when that gets taken out of the curriculum for schools, I think it leads to people being less problem solvers and more of just doing what they're told to do. Again, back to creative problem solving. Youth really need to be able to be expressive and to be creative in doing things, and when we cut that part of things out of their education, we leave them with very little resources to creatively solve problems. And so I think it's really harsh for them to not have that creative expression and not be forced to solve problems creatively.
Most everything happens in-house. There are some things that we do. We go out to Makers Faire and Mini Makers Faire, and we in the past have gone to a lot of schools to do demonstrations in their parking lot kind of thing. But most of what our outreach happens in the house, and we kind of try to reach out for people through people who are interested in making things,
The blacksmith changes the basic shape of the material that they work with, and there probably will never be a time that we won't need to be able to reshape things to get them to do what we want them to do, to be the shape we want them to be.
Teaching industrial arts is amazing. Seeing students explore the process of welding, blacksmithing, working with hot material. Generally at first people are a little unfamiliar or uncertain, and sometimes, especially with young people, their bodies do this as they walk in the building, and then by the end they're so excited and so confident because they've done something that is kind of dangerous and wonderful and explosive, and made art from that process. So it's a really rewarding, really powerful experience.